G'day YouTube, Down to Bricks here. It's demolition time. Today I'm going to take this post out. So I've got to get a few things ready first. It is pinned to the truss along here. There's a bolt up there. I've already been up in the ceiling and removed that. I have to bust into this sheeting here and just see exactly how this header is attached to this post so I can remove those. This header here, I'm going to leave that there. My idea is to actually put a shelf along there, so there'll be a shelf either side. I can just put a few little knickknacks up there. The main reason I want to leave that in is because the two ceilings between these two rooms, two existing rooms, are slightly different height. So it would mean a fair bit of work just to patch up that ceiling, and I don't mind having that header there, and like I said, I'll make a shelf out of it so it'll look pretty good. Obviously, I'm going to have to join it where this post is once I take it out. So what I've got to do, I'm not really sure how it's all attached up onto the truss. So until I'm certain that it's stable, I'm going to get a couple of props and I'm going to run just a prop each side just to hold that header stable while I knock the post out until I can get in and really see what's behind that sheeting and how it's fixed. So that's my job for today. I have to be very careful with it. There's a lot of weight in that post. You're looking somewhere probably between 350, 400 kilos. So I don't want any big chunks of it coming down. So it's just going to be a slow process removing that post. I think I did mention in my last video, I've got to be careful that I don't crack this concrete. There's quite a few little hairline cracks in it already. It's only very thin. It's just a topping between there and that slab, so it's only quite thin, so got to be a bit careful. So that's my job for today. What else I want to get done, I want to get this all lined, all the sheeting up as well. The missus, she's outside there she is. She's out. She's out running all the sealer on the outside, and if we can get to it, we'd love to even paint the outside as well, and that will get that outside wall finished. But I might put this into time lapse and you can watch me remove this post. Let's get into it.
Well, holy dooly, what an effort that was. I'm a little bit stuffed. All went to plan. What do you reckon? How much better is that? Let me stand back. That is just so good without that post there. It's going to be so much better. Now, it wasn't much in the way up here. Just took a long time in the beginning just to get those first blocks out. But I'm just going to make a frame up there and resheet that, and you won't even know that there was a post there once I'm done. There's the fly, getting a bit of sun in here now. It's a bit hard to see probably. So just got a bit of a clean up job. These posts, I had to make one up because my two props, one was too big to fit in there. So I don't know what the go there is. So I just had to make a makeshift one up, and yeah, so now it's a big clean-up job and then get ready to start on this wall, which will probably be tomorrow now, or might do a little bit tonight. But I hope that was enjoyable watching that. I'm actually looking forward to watching that back in fast motion and just see how funny that looked coming down. But thank everyone for watching. I will get this wall up. I'll make a few other changes and then I'll actually just do a whole new update. So thanks everybody for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave any comments, any questions. Happy to answer them. Thanks again everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.